Ang ganda guys, oh, parang nasa ano kami, nasa paradise ng paraiso. Yan, ang ganda ng flower. Flower is so nice. Ano siya, fruits? I think it's a fruits. It's a fruits? Do you think guys it's a fruits? We will check later. Diba?
It's a chair. Ano
Dahon pala yun eh. Tingnan mo guys, oh, ang yabong ng mga ano dito guys, oh.
Why, it's pomegranate?
What? No, it's not a pomegranate. Do you know what is that? It's a pink blossom. Maybe we are late already. Guys, ganyan siya guys, kaganda guys.
I don't know what kind of fruit.
No, she's telling something that she doesn't know what is it. What is it? Guys, so there's a lot of different kind of flowers. Huh? Oh guys,
May mga grapes dahil mangunit rami dahil.
guys, it's so nice the flower. You know, it's a vine one.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's a vine one, but you see, it seems like
Like kalatuchi.
no, it's not kalatuchi. Dili.
Sampagita.
No, it's look like what is that? Yung nilalagay guys sa kwan guys ba? Magburo ng saging. Sige na, we're going to the kwan na. We're going to... Ala, it's so nice over there, oh. Guys, maganda talaga doon banda guys. Kaya lang masyado nang malayo. Dito tayo, oh. Uy, we're here. Uy, there is a... Yeah. Punta kami ng ano guys. Punta kami ng... mini market again kasi bibili kami ng ano, we gonna buy lemon. Tingnan mo guys, oh, bili kami dito ng lemon. Yan, ganyan lang siya guys, yung tindahan dito guys, ganyan lang. Bibili kami ng lemon.